Hello students, Sanjay Purohit from Sanket Study Center. Today we would like to see Gala paper set 2 for English, question paper 2 for English first language. We have seen in the first video up to question number 21. Now question number 22 we are going to see. What is that question? Why did Custard cry for a nice safe cage? Why is the dragon called a cowardly dragon? That is the question. How did he prove everyone wrong? बराबर, हाउ डिड ही प्रूव एवरीवन रॉन्ग? तो बड़ा क्वेश्चन है. लेट्स सी. Custard cried for a nice safe cage because it was a coward. It is called a cowardly dragon because everybody else in the house was brave, said to be brave. Belinda was as brave as a barrel of bears. Ink and Blink, they are described as so brave that they could chase lion down the stairs, and Mustard was as brave as tiger in the rage. Compared to them, Custard cried, asking for a nice and safe cage, which is why it is said to be a coward. The dragon appeared to be coward as he always cried for a nice safe cage, so he was considered as a cowardly dragon. Later, when the pirate entered the house with pistols in his left and right hand, everyone was scared and ran away and disappeared. Except whom? Custard, who faced him boldly, bravely, and attacked him, hit him hard with his forceful tail, and gobbled every bit of him, and that's why he proved everybody is wrong. Question number 23. 23, Gala paper number 2. Why did the poet not offer the boy money to buy another ball? The poet watched the boy who was plunged in grief. Grief matlab sorrow, sadness, etc. Right? Grief at the loss of his ball. He did not offer the boy money to buy another ball. हम लोग तो ऐसा कर देते हैं, अगर बॉय कोई बच्चा खो देता है तो दूसरा लाके देते हैं. He felt that another ball could not console the boy. उसको आश्वासन नहीं देगा, सेम टू सेम बॉल चाहिए. It seemed the boy had had the ball for a long time, and the poet also wanted to make the boy realize the epistemology of loss. Very good question, right? Meaning of epistemology is study of the nature of knowledge. Epistemology means study of the nature of the knowledge. So, poet watched the boy who was plunged in grief, the loss of his ball, sorry. He did not offer the boy money to buy another ball. He felt that another ball could not console the boy. Consolation nahi dega, right? Console the boy. It seemed the boy had had the ball for a long time, and the poet also wanted to make the boy realize the epistemology of loss. I told you what is epistemology? Study of the nature of the knowledge. Study of the nature of knowledge. What is the central idea of the poem Animals? Central idea of the poem Animals. Question number 24. Question number 24. Walt Whitman wants to tell us that humans have become complicated and false. They have forgotten their true nature. They want to earn more and more. They are money minted so that they can own more and more luxurious commodities. Commodities matlab things, articles, etc. Luxurious, very comfort oriented. They do sins in order to earn, then they repent. Repent means remorse, paschatap karna. Their sins have made them restless. Humans trouble their companies discussing their duties to God. On the other hand, animals are free from all type of trivial matlab very तुच्छ किस्म की trifle anxieties, so they are still living their nature life. That is the central idea of the poem Animals. very simple aspect. He thinks he can turn and live with animals comfortably because they are calm and self-contained, right? While we are quite mechanized and money minting. Question number 25. Describe the tiger in the cage. Describe the tiger in the cage. The tiger in the cage is just a diminished form of his original self. उसकी ओरिजिनल नहीं, उसका diminished मतलब कि काफी छोटा सा रूप है. He paces up and down in the cage restlessly. He is confined, restricted, confined in the narrow cell and keeps staring the stars as if longing for freedom. जैसे कि उसको एक freedom चाहिए. He is helpless and draws pity for his condition. I repeat, tiger in the cage is just a diminished form of his original self. He paces up and down in the cage restlessly. He is confined, restricted, constricted in the narrow cell and keeps staring, gazing the stars as if longing, wishing, craving, pining for freedom. He is helpless and drawn pity for his conditions. Next question, number 26, Gala paper number 2. What is dust of snow? Poem number 1. How has it changed the poet's mood? The dust of snow means the fine particles of snow. Fine particles of snow. The falling of snow on the poet changes his mood. The soft and cold touch of snow changed the poet's mood from sad to happy. Now he feels revived, जैसे reborn हुआ हो, revived and obliged to the beauty of nature. Very simple, I repeat it again. The dust of snow means the fine particle of snow, point number 1. Number 2, falling of snow on the poet changes his mood. The soft and cold touch of snow changed the poet's mood from sad to happy. Now he feels revived and obliged the beauty of nature. Question 27. Is Amanda an orphan? What could Amanda do if she were a mermaid? बहुत ही अच्छा क्वेश्चन है. तो पहले देखते हैं, is Amanda an orphan? The way Amanda is being told about do's and don'ts, she cannot be an orphan. In this poem, the word orphan has been used as a metaphor, figure of speech metaphor. We can compare it with street urchins who have all the time to enjoy their childhood. अब इसका second sub question जो है, what could Amanda do if she were a mermaid? If she were a mermaid, as a mermaid, Amanda could drift blissfully, joyfully in the sea. Drifting is different from swimming. While swimming amounts to controlled strokes, drifting is more careless. Swimming can be extensious, but drifting can be more pleasant. तो अगेन अगर ये सेकंड पार्ट का आंसर मैं बता दूं, एज अ मरमेड अमांडा कुड ड्रिफ्ट blissfully, joyfully in the sea. Drifting is different from swimming. While swimming amounts to controlled strokes, drifting is little bit careless. Swimming can be extraneous, but drifting can be more pleasant. तो मरमेड का मतलब होता है वुमन विथ अ टेल ऑफ ए फिश. मरमेड मतलब के वुमन विथ अ टेल ऑफ ए फिश. यहाँ पे अपने सब क्वेश्चन आंसर खत्म हो गए. नाउ वी आर स्विचिंग टुवर्ड्स द ग्रामर. सेक्शन सी, रेक्टिफाइंग द एरर्स. तो पहली लाइन में कुर्गी होम्स हैव अ ट्रेडिशन ऑफ हॉस्पिटल. तो हॉस्पिटल के बदले होगा हॉस्पिटैलिटी. क्वेश्चन 28, हॉस्पिटल के बदले हॉस्पिटैलिटी. देन THEN then के बदले THAN then. क्वेश्चन 29 में THEN रॉन्ग है, इसके बदले THAN. न्यूमरस TELLS, टेल्स के बदले TALES. आई रिपीट, TELLS के बदले TALES 30 में. नंबर 31 में SON सन है, इसके बदले सन्स, SONS, SON के बदले SONS। आई रिपीट, 28 में हॉस्पिटल के बदले हॉस्पिटैलिटी, 29 में THEN के बदले THAN, 30 में TELLS टेल्स के बदले टेल्स, TALES, एंड 31 में सन के बदले SON के बदले SONS। क्वेश्चन नंबर 32 से 35 पूरी ब्लैंक्स है। फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स विद प्रॉपर आर्टिकल, कंजंक्शन एंड प्रपोजिशंस, राइट। क्वेश्चन नंबर 32 से 35 ब्लैंक्स है। फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स, प्रॉपर आर्टिकल, कंजंक्शन, प्रपोजिशन, ओनली आंसर। मैरिज गिफ्ट्स आर मीनिंगलेस, 32 में आंसर विदाउट, 33 में THE द, 34 में AS एंड 35 में और। I repeat, 32 without, 33 the, 34 S and 35 or। 36 खास सुनना, एक्सट्रीमली इंपॉर्टेंट। 36 वो इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच है और इसका आंसर आप खास सुने। मैं दो let's start indirect narration। Answer is like that, Natalia said that she had noticed, I के बदले C, have के बदले had, notice that those hunters argue most who, no के बदले आएगा new, KNEW, new list। Lomo respectfully, मैडम बोला है ना, respectfully told Natalia to be silent, to be silent। His heart was going to pieces and then he shouted at her, to shut up। Natalia replied angrily that she shouldn't shut up until he acknowledged, ED आएगा, he acknowledged that Squeezer was 100 times better than his guess। his guess मतलब नातालिया नहीं, his मतलब के लोमो का कुत्ता जिसका नाम गैस था। I repeat the entire question again, answer again, sorry। Natalia said that she had noticed, I के बदले C, HAVE के बदले HAD, noticed that those hunters argued, argue का argued, most who, no के बदले new आएगा, KNEW, knew the list, new list। Lomo respectfully told Natalia to be silent। His heart was going to pieces and then he shouted at her to shut up। Natalia replied angrily that she shouldn't shut up until he acknowledged, ED आएगा वहां पे, acknowledge GED, that Squeezer was 100 times better than his मतलब whose, Lomo's guess मतलब के कुत्ते का नाम था। एक्सक्लेमेशन के साइन निकाल देने का। नाउ डू एज डायरेक्टेड में 37 नंबर का क्वेश्चन है। When he finished, he went to window to buy a stamp। आंसर ऑप्शन में आएगा B for ball। He finished and went to the window to buy a stamp। कंपाउंड आपके सिलेबस में नहीं है। 38 करेक्ट क्वेश्चन टैग। The sun was now ascending the sky। The sun was now ascending the sky, इसका ऑप्शन आएगा C। Sun was now ascending the sky, wasn't it? Wasn't it? Option C। 39 as soon as the class assembled, Miss Mason announced the winner। Option A आएगा, A for apple। No sooner did the class assemble than Miss Mason announced the winner। I beg your pardon, winner। 40 में there is nothing to argue about, affirmative बनाना है, तो इसमें ऑप्शन डी आएगा, डी फॉर डॉग। दिस गोज विदाउट आर्ग्यूइंग, या तो दिस गोज विदाउट आर्ग्यूमेंटेशन, या तो आर्ग्यूमेंट, राइट। क्वेश्चन 41 otters are as common as mosquito in the tigris marcis। कंपैरेटिव डिग्री है, दोनों सिलेबस में नहीं है, चैप्टर भी और डिग्री भी। बट इसका ऑप्शन है ए, बाई चांस पूछा तो। मॉस्किटोज इन द टिग्रीज मार्सेस आर नॉट मोर कॉमन देन ऑटर्स, राइट। अदर्स लिखा है, ऑटर्स आएगा 41 में ए ऑप्शन। 42, with a ping pong ball he invented a game of his own। पैसिव वॉइस करना है। The game of his own was invented by him with a ping pong ball। ऑप्शन सी आएगा, सी, बराबर, ऑप्शन सी। एंड लास्टली नंबर 43, इफ यू स्टैंड ऑन द सीट यू मे फॉल। तो 43 में ऑप्शन सी आएगा, सी अगेन, unless you stand on the seat you may not fall। unless you stand on the seat you may not fall। Now section D, actually I should not answer this 44 to 48 because such questions are made for enhancing the self creative skill and should be tried answering on your own। However, there are certain points that will help you in forming or framing this answer। आपका पहला क्वेश्चन है, यू आर रोशन और रोशनी मेक ए डायरी एंट्री ऑफ योर विजिट टू ए फ्रेंड्स फार्म हाउस। अब जरा इसका पॉइंट आप सुन लो, और जिनको राइट सुनने में तकलीफ हो बार बार सुने, वीडियो देखे। आई एम एक्साइटेड टू राइट अबाउट माई विजिट टू माई फ्रेंड्स फार्म हाउस। Point number 1, I am excited to write about my visit to my friend's farmhouse। Number 2, it is in a remote village, पिछड़ा हुआ, remote, a place I have never heard about। Number 3, we left for the farmhouse early in the morning। Number 4, we reached there by afternoon। Number 5, I love the setting of the farmhouse। Number 6, close to the farmhouse there was a big farm with many different animals। Then next, I was taken aback, surprised, and wondered, amazed, who could take care of such a big farmhouse? Then next, there were many people who helped in the farm, and there were vegetables and fruits and gardens and etc. Right? I enjoyed a lot because I have never enjoyed in such an atmosphere। Right? तो ये आपका क्वेश्चन नंबर 44 हो गया। 44 का ऑप्शन है, यू क्लियर द राउंड्स ऑफ कौन बनेगा करोड़पति ऑन द हॉट सीट। यू गॉट ए चांस टू टॉक विद मिस्टर बच्चन, राइट एटलीस्ट 4 डायलॉग्स दैट यू हैड विद हिम। तो आप पहले लिखेंगे, आई वॉज एब्सोल्युटली टंग टाइड, स्पीचलेस, माई माइंड went completely blank। He understood my position and handed me a glass of water and then started joking about the weather। He tried to make me feel comfortable। I asked him many questions and he responded nicely to each of them। I asked him about, I was a great fan of him, he replied very humbly that thank you very much। Then I asked him about Jaya Bachchan, Aishwarya Rai Bachchan। For that he replied all of them were very fine। He also mentioned, I mentioned about the COVID-19, what happened to him, and he mentioned that by the grace of all people as well as dua, right, he was fine। ऐसे 3-4 बातें का कन्वर्सेशन आप लिख सकते हो। Design a poster promoting the use of jute clothes bag, discouraging the indiscriminate, thoughtless, reckless use of plastic। Give a suitable title and a slogan for it। तो आप लिख सकते हैं इसका, राइट, टाइटल इज रिफ्यूज, रिड्यूस एंड रियूज। Refuse to use plastic bags, they are harmful for environment। Use jute and cloth bags which are reusable। Wherever possible, restrict or reduce use of plastic। The mantra should be 3R: refuse, reduce and reuse। That's how you can do it, but you can add something of your own as well। Question 45, नोटिस राइटिंग है, वो तो सबको आती ही होगी, फिर भी इसका फॉर्मेट एबीसी स्कूल न्यू दिल्ली, इसके नीचे लिखोगे नोटिस, अंडरलाइन करोगे और हेडिंग लिखेंगे इंटर क्लास गरबा कंपटीशन। फिर डेट और आपका मान लो कि 18 फरवरी 2021 अब स्टार्ट करोगे. दिस इज टू इन्फॉर्म दैट our school has organized an inter-class Garba competition for teams of 10 students. Each of classes 6 to 8 on 18 July at 10 a.m. Sorry, 18 मैंने बताया February 10 a.m. in the school auditorium. The entires will be judged on the choreography, costume, and creativity. The winners will be awarded handsome cash prizes, and interested students give their name to the undersigned by 22nd of 15th of February. 15th of February. आप डेट वगैरह चेंज कर सकते हैं. XYZ या तो ABC तो स्कूल का नाम लिखा है तो XYZ या तो PQR, हेड बॉय हेड गर्ल. थैंक यू. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन आपका. योर फादर हैज ओपन ए न्यू शॉप ऑफ गुरु उद्योग प्रोडक्ट्स eatables, prepare an impressive advertisement for promotion. तो अर्बन फ्लेवर्स गुरु उद्योग प्रोडक्ट्स नाम है, अर्बन फ्लेवर्स, एंड ईटेबल अवेलेबल एट C4 ब्लॉक लाजपत नगर न्यू दिल्ली. Excellent taste in every bite. The most reliable name in New Delhi. Reasonable prices. FSSAI approved. Free delivery available. Join us on 28 February 2021 for a grand opening and enjoy 20% off. Timing 9 a.m. to 10 p.m. Close on Sunday. तो ये आपका एक एडवर्टाइजमेंट भी हो. राइट ए रिपोर्ट ऑन सेल्फी मेनिया अमंग द यंगस्टर. तो इसका मैं थोड़े पॉइंट्स दे लेता हूं. सेल्फी फीवर हैज ग्रिप्ड द साइकी ऑफ ऑल दिस डेज, स्पेशली द यंगस्टर. नंबर 2, so much so there are tutorials available online on how to take the perfect selfie. Do not be surprised if you see a teenager pausing in front of the mirror, pouting or smiling in a particular fashion. He or she is just practicing on how to look his best in a selfie. Even the celebrities are conscious of their appearance in selfies, and many times it happens that many of the people, they have lost their life due to selfie. They might have fallen from the top of the building or something, right, somewhere else. Write a letter to your friend making an appeal to avoid Chinese firecrackers and have a safe Diwali. Free. And question 47. 47, write a letter to your friend making an appeal to avoid Chinese firecracker and have safe Diwali free of sound and air pollution. आप लिखेंगे अपने घर का एड्रेस जो भी है, जैसे कि 35B पारस नगर सोसाइटी, रांदेर रोड, सूरत 395009. आज की डेट लिखने का, राइट, 22 फरवरी 2021. Dear XYZ, hope to find you in good health. Since Diwali is approaching, I am concerned about you burning crackers as usual. Please don't burn crackers this time, you know, it pollutes the environment. Moreover, people in the neighborhood also get disturbed. Old people and children are prone to health problems because of the noise and the high rate of smoke that surround the whole area during Diwali or Diwali night. So I would suggest you to celebrate the festival of lights with lamps and diyas instead of noise and smoke. It is pleasant to look at. Your colleague, ABC. Thanks. Question number 47. Write an email to your friend informing him or her about the newly fitted water percolation system in your society and how to save water. मैं थोड़ी guideline ही दे देता हूँ. There is the newly fitted water percolation system in my society. Point 1. Number 2, percolation can be used to predict water transport factors such as rate of leaching or the flow of materials into water. This is why helpful to our society, and it will help in farming as well. So this kind of arrangement will be definitely quite handy in such a situation where water is not there, water lacking situation. So you can write such point and you can add your own points as well. क्वेश्चन 48 के थोड़े पॉइंट्स मैं बता देता हूँ, राइट एंड ऐसे, वो भी चंद्रयान 2, अ मिशन दैट मेड इंडिया प्राउड। दूसरा ऑनलाइन शॉपिंग वर्सेस ऑफलाइन, तो आपको पता ही होगा, वो आप कर सकते हैं। तो यहाँ पे चंद्रयान 2 इज इसरो सेकंड अनमैन्ड लूनार मिशन। पॉइंट 1, it was launched on July 22 from the same launch pad from which Chandrayaan first had taken off. Point 3, this was in succession to Chandrayaan 1, which orbited the moon in 2008 and helped confirm the presence of water on lunar surface. Point number 4, it was launched on board Bahubali GSLV MK4 or 3. The RS-603 crore rover will analyze minerals to map the moon surface and search for water, right? Hopefully you will find this certain data, right? वो जो मैंने आपको बताया MK3 GSLV Bahubali, ₹603 crore rover will analyze minerals to map the moon surface and search for water. और अब एक स्टोरी है, वो देख। क्वेश्चन 48 की एक स्टोरी है, तो स्टोरी आप सुन लीजिए। इसमें क्लू दिया है, एन इंजीनियर वॉज टू अपीयर फॉर एन इंटरव्यू just outside the office of the multinational company where he was to give the interview sat a cobbler. He decided to get his shoes polished. The cobbler started giving him tips for the interview. Even though he was amused, surprised, taken aback, he paid attention because he was a polite person. The interview went off rather well and he got the job, all thanks to the tips about the interview and salary the cobbler had given him. As he stepped out of the office, he saw same cobbler getting into a company car. On inquiring, he was told that he was the real boss who enjoyed being a disguise to judge the character of the applicants. Right? This is how you can write your own views as well. अंदर थोड़े बहुत points लेके भी आप थोड़ा right इधर उधर कर सकते हैं. Topic I didn't discuss, and that is the online shopping versus offline shopping. If you like my video, you can share and subscribe my channel, Sanjay Purohit from Saket Study Center. Thank you very much. Goodbye.